This is what I told you how to do. Okay, so I can show you how that works. Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of the Phone Show. I had somebody ask me earlier how to make a prop for a Cessna, and this is what you do, get this. Hey, you guys. Hold on. Hey guys, I talked to a cat earlier, I was showing him. He's asking me about the prop for a Cessna. See this? This was what I showed you how to make. And now I finished it, and I put a hole in it. These are crossbacks. Some of those videos that work. Nah, believe it or not, I got all that. I got that in the Philippines. No, I'm pretty sure I got it. Yeah, as long as you don't crawl in the sewer. I like that. What I'm working on to do this. We're going to do I get this. Right there. Thank you very much. I tried very hard to build well. I've been building since I was 5 years old, and I do not build with clay. I built with clay. I used to be the, what do they call those, TJ? No, that's not the right word. But, no, actually, we're in the ceramics department. I think that's correct. I know, I can believe it. I said, I can look, it's 11. And other lights, you can see that. You bet, Mr. Wheeler, you were getting your show, but I have one of the people who's taking a 3-inch Cessna. They asked me how to make a prop, so I showed them how to put the tweak lines so they spin. Now watch this. I just got done sculpting that prop. Favorite project is functional? It's an A-wing. I don't know where it's from. I used to build this for most. I haven't got any made out of paper though. So the only model I've got of paper is the DeLorean Back to the Future. Yeah, I see that. That's right. We all know better. Yes, I did send a picture of that, but not the cone shape. I built this telephone on this. I put 8 slices of paper in this shape, then I started covering the 4 strips of white brown paper, sanded them down, and covered them more, so I finally got this beautiful cone shape, and I made it. I'm sort of guess, but everything's... That's okay, Eddie. You can believe what you want. I use Elmer's glue. That's okay. I think you are okay. Okay, bye. Sure, I'll sell you some. Well, the cool thing about these is the batteries are inside. I've been using this for 5 years. My brother uses it for the overnight. When the battery's charged, I'm running completely dead. When it starts lighting over here, I just set it over there and run the quiz. Now the battery's completely decharged. So when you charge it back up, it'll take a full charge every time. 5 years. This is literally saving thousands of hours. Tell John, I'm getting ready to get all the pictures for June 2nd. I'm going to start to clean up Warbird. You can buy one right here for one. Send me $110 and your shipping address. I do. At the third one you get to in your lifetime. Because believe me, it takes a while to get all figured out. I finally found what I like to do best in life and all my life. I read this one, and now I'm 7 years old, and I'm actually having the best time of my life right now. Lucky future neighbors. Wow, you guys, that's amazing. Okay, get over. I'm doing it right. Now I'll show you the Star Wars stuff. I hated it, but it was fun. It took a pair of tweezers, nice. I have good ones. Machine steel rule is my best rule. I use this more than anything else. These scissors, micro scissors. I didn't know how big they were until I took all these days. Fantastic scissors. Who did? The paper. Okay. Yeah, I would. I think there is a showcase video. It's in a short. Hey, ask me, I think I did a showcase video. But yes, I probably should do another one. I did do a showcase video, I believe. Now, whenever you're doing stuff like this, you're just building by eye. So if it looks right, can you tell me about that? About the one? Ask you about the one? Thank you very much for all your help. Yes, I did. I made my recycled paper. The 500 bomber, Darth Vader's sign. The kind of state Washington. I do. I have a micro typewriter. It's about 1 inch in size. I like it. I see it. Yeah, I can't hear any of your part of your not. That's okay. No reason to be better. Absolutely not. All right, now, this is my template that I made. This is the first one that is complete. It has to be sanded down to the right position. Let's see. it okay to use that word? You know, moron. You're a moron. Okay, there's one. Horizontal. Stabilizer. Horizontal. Vertical. Yeah. Oh, that's good. It's kind of like the red green show we did next week. Yeah. Well, I think when are we going to do that? We're going to make a podcast. Well, let's find out what we need to do. Because I started this hobby at 55 years old, and I'm still learning. 16 years later. And I had an old man when I was 20, 20 some years old, young, 22 maybe. I don't know if I find it in the Philippines. The old man told me, young man, never stop learning. And I tell you what, that's probably the best advice I ever got in my entire life, because I never stopped learning. I can hear. It comes from making a lot of mistakes over the years, let me tell you. Well, I have no idea what kind of plastic it is. So, I can't give you any advice on that, 'cause I have no idea what you're talking about. I'm sorry, but I do not. I always study. I don't read as much as I used to, but I keep my... Now what I'm doing right now is I'm making both the stabilizers, so that anti-stabilizer. I'm matching them up. So they look good when they do it. Don't do that. I'll tell you what, here, let me show you something that I answered to with the Lego edition. The record for likes, 1,148 likes was the record. Set this morning show. And I wrote the numbers down so I know. What's that name? Where is it? Okay, send it to me. Show me a picture of it. I'll get a picture. Thank you very much. I love doing this stuff. Thank you guys for putting up likes. And thank you for sharing with others. And also, I want to thank you for the follows. Well, yeah. And that is true. Favorite food? Yeah, fried chicken. I think it's pretty good. Yep. Well. That was a good one, Anthony. And just to let you know, if you're calling people in my show bullies, you need to go to an under 18 age show. Because you're too young to be at this one. Somebody's using Bugsy better. What's it? No, yeah, that's a fool. Yeah, that's true. They do. Well, the way the rest of the room was taken, I would say probably did. Yeah, probably. Yeah, it did. Because honestly, in normal temperature, stuff takes so fast. Okay, guys, this is tissue paper that I'm working with right now. Because it glues extremely well to paper, because it is paper. And what I want to do right now is I want to build up these wings so that they don't come off. And one of the only ways to do it is to build up the edging with tissue. Thanks for following me. And if you do follow me, down in the bottom there's a little bell, I think. It's to notify you when I'm live. And I guess you have to reset that every month. I don't know, but I've heard that. Okay, just so you guys know something right here. As far as I know, in adult, not made for kids show, bullying doesn't exist. Well, it shouldn't exist in a not for kids show. I'm making bullying more stuff. Oh, you're gonna be careful, legend. She'll go eat something and get back at you. But you just said something, I saw it. And I've never seen that before on the show. I don't know. I didn't get a chance to read it because I'm not reading the screen. No, I know it. Okay. Well, pretty much all you have to do is keep coming to my show to learn how to build stuff. Oh, man. Well, I have to know something about Goku. I used to watch it. Vegeta's one of the bad guys. Yep, I did. Dragon Ball. Yeah, well. Yep, it won't happen. And the reason being is because, like I said, it's a percentage thing with AI. And numbers versus the percentage of, oops, guess what you got? It's not going to hurt us. We got it already. It isn't. Sounds like it's time to go. Roll again. Yeah. Yeah, that must be. I mean, that's something really weird, actually. Well, I don't know. So. All right, Mr. Wheeler, I think that's a good idea. I think you write it down for remind me. Yes, the sanding. It's paramount. Did you sand the paint? Because signals biodegradable paint. The glue does not stick well with it until you sand it. And believe me, I had these off early on. And I learned that back in like 2010. Yep. Well, I'm going to show that you guys are going to go. Now remember, everybody, I'm back tomorrow 6 hours earlier for my first show. If you don't want to get oh, that would be cool. I'm ready to join.